In a time of powerful kings and fierce battle, Allah chose a humble man, wise a leader of justice, a man whose voice could make the mountains echo with praise of Allah. This is the remarkable story of Hazrat Daud al-Islam, the king, the prophet, and the symbol of wisdom and justice. Hazrat Daud al-Salam was one of the great prophets of Bani Israel, blessed by Allah with strength, wisdom, and leadership. Allah granted him both prophethood and kingship, a rare honor among the prophets. He was also known the divine scripture known as the Zabur. Before becoming a king, Daud al-Islam was a young man in the army of Bani Israel. At the time, the powerful warrior Jalut terrorized the people and challenged their army. With courage and trust in Allah, Daud al-Islam defeated Jalut in battle. After the victory, Allah granted Daud al-Islam kingship and wisdom. He became a just ruler who judged people with fairness and truth. Allah commanded him, O Daud, indeed we have made you a leader on earth, so judge between people and truth. Allah blessed Daud al-Salam with a beautiful voice unlike any other. When he recited the Zabur, the mountains and birds joined him in glorifying Allah. Even nature responded to his remembrance of the Creator. Allah also taught Daud al-Salam the skill of making armor. With his hands, he crafted protective armor for people in battle. This was a blessing from Allah to protect humanity. One day, two men suddenly appeared before Daud al-Islam with a dispute. They sought his judgment regarding injustice between them. Daud al-Salam listened carefully and judged with fairness, always seeking Allah's guidance. Hazrat Daud al-Salam ruled with justice, humility and devotion to Allah. He fasted often, prayed deeply and remembered Allah constantly. His story teaches us that true leadership is built on faith, justice and humility before Allah.